Everyone, I'm going to go over the single arm and single leg row. So if you're familiar with pistols or single leg squats, these are going to look very familiar. If you're not, then this is a great way to work up towards single leg squats or pistols. So for these, you are going to need some sort of apparatus like a gymnastics ring, maybe even a TRX band, okay? And this is awesome for developing single leg strength, which is important in most sports, particularly golf. So what we'll do is you want to begin in the bottom of a single leg squat with one arm extended, okay? And then from here, you're going to press off here and then pull with this arm. So you want to repeat on both sides. You want to use a nice balance between your legs as well as your arms to develop that pushing and pulling strength, and it requires a lot of balance as well. And that right there is a single leg and single arm row.